I'm often asked by people, do I take the products and why did I start taking the products? Well, I found out about the products. A friend of mine introduced me to them. And at first I was skeptical, like many people are. But I'm inquisitive enough to want to find out what's behind this. So I've done a lot of research in the last 5 years, and I can say that I had problems, not serious problems, but annoying problems. One of my problems was allergies. I had a lot of allergies, particularly in the springtime or in the fall. I'd have to take something to satisfy the allergy problem. I had a chronic cough that you could always tell I was around because somebody was coughing. I also had a condition that's very, very common in eye care, which I'm an eye doctor, retired, called dry eye. And dry eye is a very common thing that many people see the doctors about, the eye doctors, for treatment. And there are many drops and things that you can take to help this. But the drops don't last, and you have to keep repeating them. Since I have been on the chocolate, my dry eye is virtually gone. I don't feel it anymore, except very, very occasionally when there's a very dryness and warm weather. But other than that, I don't have to use any drops anymore. So I'm happy. No allergies, no eye drops, none of this stuff, and I feel good. So I'm staying on the chocolate.